Hi guys, welcome to our new episode. So today, as a parent from our Zoom backgrounds, yes, we are going to talk about the historic, iconic, and whatever you want to call it, probably the best of our times, India's tour of Australia 2020, 2021. So yeah, how would you like to start talking about this, Shikhar?
What makes this series special is it was played during the this COVID, pandemic time, and there have been lot of challenges. मतलब अब काफी challenges आ गई हैं COVID के वजह से. One is that bubble players have to remain in bubbles, and this Australia tour was right after the IPL जो UAE में हो रहा था.
Yeah,
And UAE में they were always already in a 2 to 3 month bubble. Then coming to Australia, uh, again they had to quarantine in Australia as per the government rules. And India was carrying, quite a large squad, which included net bowlers like Natarajan, Karthik Tyagi. So it was quite a long squad. And पहले तो लग रहा था कि यार ये क्यों लेके जा रहे हैं, मतलब कि नटराज कार्तिक त्यागी को, बट लास्ट में
thank
थैंक गॉड
God,
वो लोग लेके
we
चले
took
गए
so many
उनको,
players.
क्योंकि सभी काम आ गए एक्सेप्ट कार्तिक त्यागी में भी. अभी
Yeah,
शार्दुल, वॉशिंगटन, एवरीवन प्लेड अ टेस्ट. तो आई थिंक हार्दिक पांड्या को भी रोक ही लेना
they all
चाहिए
played a
था,
role.
जब इतना सबको यूज कर लिया तो.
पांड्या को जाना था. He wanted to meet Natasha and उसमें भूल गया उसकी बच्चे का नाम, बट जो भी हार्दिक को तो जाना था.
For me,
Just, yeah.
the best part was the build-up for the Test series. I mean, and there was more build-up from the Australian media because they were just itching to get India back again and probably be able to take revenge this time. But oh wow, how nicely that all turned out to be.
So 2018 series, I mean, obviously Kohli, being Kohli, he was like, ये बहुत बड़ा win है. This is even better than any World Cup. Winning in
It's big.
first Asian team to win in Australia in 2018. But as cricket fans who study the game so deeply, there was always a sense of dissatisfaction. You can say that we beat Australia convincingly, and but Smith and Warner, two of the biggest names of Australian cricket, they were not in the squad. And
Yeah.
these two batsmen, how big they can go in Australia. We have seen Warner like going double hundreds, triple hundreds,
Yeah.
and even New Zealand, which is having a very potent attack. Even Warner didn't stop against them. So yeah,
So,
there was
yeah,
incompleteness, I think, after
yeah.
that.
Even as Indian cricket team fans, we were like, it did not feel fair when we know that okay, Warner and Smith are serving the ban. So even we were like, yeah, hope we could like see them in the series. And again, growing up, we have seen great Indian sides touring Australia. Then there was like Wasim Akram and Shoaib Akhtar, other Asian teams like trying to win in Australia. There was Sangakkara and Jayawardene. And then finally, it gave us an immense pride that we were able to win the series. But it definitely lacked that something. And that was definitely
And
a
just
point.
starting this show, we were talking about even in the last episode, we were talking about that 2003-4, series. Kind of, it gave us more satisfaction drawing against, Steve Vaughan. Even in that series, the bowling lineup was not that great, but
Yeah.
का impact जो है last मतलब 3-4 साल में, he's the best test batsman. He has been declared the test batsman of the decade, I think, or something like that. So obviously, the way he dominated the Ashes 2017 and 2019, two back-to-back Ashes, the way he has dominated. And
Yeah.
one important factor here was the rise of Marnus Labuschagne. So, or Labuschagne, abhi Sean Paul,
Labuschagne.
he's Labuschagne. So, whatever his name is, he's been brilliant. He's just like Steve Smith, started as a leg spinner, but after a good county season, he was put in the Australian squad as a super sub. And what a performance in the Ashes! And after that, he dominated New Zealand which is a very good bowling attack, and finalist of World Test Championship. So
Yeah, it was weird. Like people used to say that India had Ravindra Jadeja and they produced a similar player, Akshar Patel. And then there this Manas Labuschagne, who exactly like Smith, idolizes him, is weird like him. So it's just like, it was scary that Australia now has two great batsmen. One is just rising, and Steve Smith is already set there with
Even I was
unbelievable
really
average of
excited.
62.
Even I was really excited
Yeah.
to see these two guys come and play. I was scared of these two guys actually, Smith and
We were,
Labuschagne. I'm pretty sure they were either captain or vice captain in almost all the test matches. Yeah, talking about fantasy.
Yeah, Labuschagne, uska ye cheez hai ki he scores big whenever he gets in, plays along the ground. Very disciplined batsman, and the way he leaves the ball, it shows intent. Like the way he shouts "no run." So even his and his defenses, he's a eccentric character. He does
Yeah.
weird things on the ground. So, and WTC he's still the highest scorer, and probably going to remain the highest scorer, because the difference is like 400, 500 runs. Nobody's going to catch up in this one match.
True.
And I think in the first series of the WTC itself, I think it was the Ashes, right? The WTC started with the Ashes 2019. There itself, when Archer injured Smith, Labuschagne was his replacement, and in that very first match of his in WTC, he gave us an impact. He made a gritty 50. He had some nasty blows from Archer, but he showed that he's brave character and he's like out there to fight.
Yeah.
So without further ado, guys, I think we should talk about the limited series which India and Australia played before the test matches.
Yeah.
I think we should start from there.
It was it was quite an interesting lead up to the test series. I think we had 3 ODIs and 3 T20s. ODIs, when we got there, it was like we were still in IPL mode, or I don't know what it was, and we were feeling the absence of Rohit Sharma also, who is a legend in one day cricket, we can say, because what he did in 2019 World Cup, 5 centuries. So we were definitely missing him.
Guy with 3 double centuries.
Yeah. So we were definitely missing him, and I think last match we won because of some contributions by Jadeja and Shardul Thakur, Natarajan. We got Maxwell in the death. Otherwise, he was looking to take the game away. And T20 series, we came back quite well. Jadeja's one innings in the first T20 where he got concussion. Still, he carried on. Hit Hazelwood for big, huge sixes.
Jadeja.
Jadeja ka one thing is, whenever Sanjay Manjrekar is there on commentary, he has that somehow he gets a telepathic message.
Maybe Jadeja has a list of who's commenting the matches today. Oh, is it Sanjay? Okay. But yeah, I also remember that ODI series where Australia was smashing 380, 360 odd scores. And I was just like, oh man, what are they going to do in the test series? Especially Steve Smith was hitting 60 ball hundreds. He did that back to back. It was just unbelievable.
High expectations from Smith, big time.
Yeah, even like Aaron Finch was in form, and we were just like, Australia are going to score like 500 plus every innings in test match. How are we gonna compete? And like definitely got nervous after watching them bat in the one day series. And then then India showed some control and they won the T20 series.
And
so
another important thing here, the context part is that the sudden change in the World Test Championship, rules. So India were quite ahead of all the teams in terms of points. Suddenly the rule was changed कि नहीं अभी points नहीं, अभी हम percentage points देखेंगे. तो अभी उससे क्या, India came down below Australia, New Zealand, and I think they were third or something, and marginally ahead of.
And we were slightly scared because the last 2 series which were challenging, एक तो India को Australia में जाना था, and then we had to face England, which is again a good team. So we were like quite skeptical if India would be able to make it.
And knowing the fact that Virat Kohli is going to return back after one test.
One test, yeah.
Yeah, we had very slim.
all of us were scared big time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, to be honest, let us be honest, guys. Nobody gave India a chance to win this series with Virat Kohli out. And after that, what happened? We'll be discussing, what happened after that. So
Yeah.
So we'll be coming to injuries. There was a weird injury with Rohit Sharma. IPL, he got injured midway, and then he came and played the final, and he played a match-winning knock in the final against, I think it was
SRH, I believe. Yeah.
SRH. Yeah.
Sorry, it was Delhi, I think. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I think it was.
It doesn't matter. What matters is it was really upset, even as a fan, that we found out that there was not good communication between Rohit and BCCI, Rohit and Virat Kohli, because Virat was asked if Rohit is going to make it to the Australia tour, and he said he's not sure. He hasn't talked to him in a bit.
There were Indian media, being Indian media, all the rumor mill started. कि Rohit and Virat में ये है वो है left है तो Rohit camp and Kohli camp ये after that Surya posted something on Insta and everyone was like all the negative vibes were there when we started the series, I guess.